beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Judith in the house
and Martin Ogwero.
Yay!
We're so excited.
Yeah, can you just see this lovely background?
Just look around.
Just look at this lovely
beautiful
background.
Day.
Oh
just
my
a beautiful
God.
weather today. By the way, we are actually at the Lake Ontario.
Yes.
This is just like the back end of Kingston, and over there on my right, I can't show you this because this is fixed. It took us time to get this particular position, so we can't move around now, but maybe after the video we'll show you around. So we have the wind farm project.
Yeah, the wind farm over there. Don't worry, we'll show you after the video if you can't
which
see.
supplies power to Kingston, and it's really so beautiful today, and we're excited to have you guys here.
So how have you been? It's another week.
And
the weekend is coming. I hope you have plans. I'm just excited today. Just the sunlight, being outside, the fresh air.
Getting some vitamin D is important right now. We need vitamin D. We never knew the importance of, being outdoors.
Yeah.
So it's good that we have to enjoy it, and that's a very, very good introduction to what we were talking about today.
Yes. So what are we talking about today?
We're talking about gratitude, guys.
Yay!
It's good to be grateful, don't you think?
Oh, I believe so. It's so good to be grateful.
Yes, it's good to be thankful. It's good to be grateful. No matter the situation, let's take time. Our gratitude is born out of first enjoying the blessings you see each day. I mean, do you know how happy I am that my wife is with me here right now outside the house? Do you know, guys, do you know what it took to get this lady?
We have to close the computers.
Get this lady out of her home office. So I'm so happy right now, and you know what, we should take some time to really enjoy the blessings we see, and it's just such a beautiful day. I mean, this past week actually, and we're going to talk about gratitude, but this past week has been laced with beautiful weather, from Monday to yesterday in the evening. A lot of people moving around, taking walks, strolls, and my daughter, she sees those biking and she says, bicycle. And she was so excited to be outside, and it's good for the kids even, stepping out, enjoying the beauty of nature. The beauty, this is, guys, we have to understand, our God created a perfect world.
Yes.
He created a perfect and beautiful world, and we first need to be great. It doesn't matter where you are. Yes, right now we're in Canada, just by the lake. You might be somewhere else, maybe where you have wooded vegetation, where you have trees, with a nice sceneries, where you can take walks, like get lost. And she won't like that, but but be careful of wild animals though. So it's good to be grateful and enjoy the beauty of nature. So what do you think?
I think it's important to be thankful, and grateful. Now, I was talking to my husband, I was like, pre-COVID, we had that liberty to walk around, to do anything, right? To hug people. Normally I would go to school, right? I have my fob. That fob, I can go to school anytime. I can enter the department anytime, 12 a.m., anytime you want. So that freedom was there. We had friends that we could just, hug. You could see people, students everywhere. I'm a student, right? Students everywhere. But honestly, I think now that we are working from home, I now understand the importance and the blessings that we actually had, that we probably, I'm sure, thanked God for, but didn't really understand. We didn't really understand the blessings that we heard, or that we are still having, even though we know right now we can't go to school. We can't go to the physical building, but we still school from home, so we do it remotely, right? But I'm saying, just understanding that those things that you took for granted, you can't even have them right now. Now you understand that those things were actually blessings. Blessings.
But we took them for granted.
We took them for granted.
We really did take them for granted. And even right now, with what is happening, with maybe the lockdowns and all that, and although some places are showing hopes that things are going to be opening up soon
again,
but we let's really take some time to identify, the good things. Even the lockdown had its good sides.
Yeah.
Overall, it's not something we'd want, but I found that during the lockdown, it made me first appreciate the beauty of God, and then two, the closeness of family,
Oh my God.
and even we conceived this idea of having YouTube videos. So if we had ourselves doing, we would not find
think
time.
about this.
We might not have found
this.
time to do this. So
Yeah.
it produced something good out of it, and that's the kind of God we serve. He's able to take a bad situation and
Make
turn it
it
around
beautiful.
for good. He's going to turn it around for good. So some of us might be thinking, there's been some delay. Hold on, just think back. It might actually be that God is setting you up
Something great.
for
and you just
something
don't
greater.
know.
So it's not a setback.
Correct.
He's setting you up for a great comeback.
I agree. I agree.
What do you think?
I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Tell us what you think. Just a message in the comment section.
Yeah.
I totally agree with you, because this lockdown for me has helped me spend time with my lovely husband. My beautiful daughter. Like, I just watch her grow every day.
Yeah.
And it's such a blessing. It's such a blessing, and I'm thankful. My schoolwork, and I'm so grateful to God, I can also do it from home. Nothing has really changed for me. Well, I would like to be in school good, where I'll see friends, where I'll just have people around me. I can talk to people, I can interact with people, But I'm still thankful to God that I can still school, remotely, that I can still continue my studies, right? So I am grateful to God. I'm also thankful for my friends, right? Even though we cannot see you guys, even though we don't, we can meet and hug ourselves and just gist and play and all of that, but we are grateful that we can still speak with you over the phone, and we know you're doing well, and we know that everything is going well for you. So we are thankful to God. And I know that this lockdown has caused, some hardship. I know that there are people, that lost their jobs. I know that people are going through a lot, and I pray that God in His infinite mercy will restore all that you have lost. But I also want you to remember that you're still alive, so there's hope. Make use of this life that God has given to you.
Yes.
Try something new. Enjoy it.
Dream again. Don't allow yourself to be weighed down by the bad situations. Don't get focused on the bad news. Find out what is happening, and even when you find yourself maybe feeling a bit concerned, pray. It's important, I stress this. Studies have shown that there are a lot of factors that influence the way our immune system works. And one of it is the factor of mental health. So when I'm saying getting focused on the good things, focusing on, the good things around your life, I'm talking about your mental health. Because you won't know, you just won't know when you find yourself worrying, and the more you worry, the more worry comes to you. And that's why Jesus said you should not worry, that we should look at the birds, just here, looking at the way the birds are carefree, flying, they don't care. The other day, I showed my wife a video. There's a tourist place in India, and in that video, because of the lockdowns and tourists were not coming over there to enjoy, the scenery and everything, the monkeys from the forest
came out, and
they came out to enjoy. I mean, you need to see those monkeys. They would jump from the roof to the pool, and I was like, I won't find myself in that pool. That pool has to be sanitized. Those monkeys were having a wild day, enjoying themselves. It was so carefree. They were so happy, and that's just an example of the things we take for granted. You see, so take some time and look at your mental health. Not that you should get focused and start asking, am I worried? No. Focus on the good things. What makes you happy? Look out for them. Maybe it could be reading a book. Maybe it could be taking walks in beautiful scenery like this. Maybe exercise is important.
It is. Even though I'm struggling.
Eating right, eating healthy. Don't just neglect yourself right now.
Please don't.
God still has so much in store for us, especially in our time. Imagine if this happened when we were growing up, when before you make a call, you will need to ring. Do you remember, guys, those phones we used to ring? Ring, ring. Those old phones. Do you remember? Imagine if this happened. And we can't really see people. We won't really interact with people because the lockdowns would have been in place.
Yeah.
So you see that even right now, with what has happened, it's still an opportunity for us to be thankful for the advancements that we've seen over the years. You know, we can talk to you, we're free to share our experiences. I'm here and you're there. It's not all the best, you know, but we should be thankful for that.
Yeah, we should be grateful. We should be grateful for the fact you're still living. God has a plan for you, so don't give up. If you've lost your job, if you've lost anything, God will restore all that
there's a restoration coming your way.
God will restore all, right? So just live your life to the fullest. Don't let this lockdown lock you up, right?
Don't be locked up in your mind.
Yeah,
don't be locked up in your mind.
Life, be able to do the beautiful things that you ordinarily want to do. Learn new skills and, you know, blossom, shine. So guys,
feel free.
We love you. We will be here providing you with videos to make you, you know, happy.
Yeah.
Right? And to actually take away this whole
the stress
away from you, right?
So guys, live a stress-free life.
Yeah, try to.
And the beauty of that is it's easy. That's why it's a stress-free life. It's easy to be stress-free. You know, what has made us really stress-free? It's not really by our strength. It's not really by what we felt or what we think, you know. It's really by God's grace. It's by Jesus. And that's why he said, come unto me, all you who are heavily laden, and I will give you rest.
Yes.
So today we say, have that rest you need.
Amen.
If you are asking, what's Martin talking about? What's Judy talking about? I invite you. You can send us a message. You can reach out to us. It's really stress-free, guys. It's stress-free. I can't stress it more than that. In fact, if I say it again, then
it becomes stressful.
It becomes stressful.
It's really stress-free. So guys, it's good to be here again. We will be here for you, providing you with, you know, the beautiful things that we can, you know, offer.
Share.
So guys, we love you.
Love you guys.
And again, have a wonderful weekend.
Enjoy yourselves. Signing out. Bye-bye.
Yeah. So we need to show them this beautiful
thanks for the reminder.
Yeah,
so
please.
guys, can you see this? Can you see this? Yay.
The wind farm over there.
Oh.
So the wind turbine.
So
no praising God. Saying yeah.
So sorry about that. Can you see, where are those wind turbines? Okay, yeah.
Can you see them?
Can you see them on my left over there? So
Even
just
right.
back down, and one day we'll take a trip and maybe show you guys around. It's actually beautiful.
The lake,
you know?
oh my God, so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Peace.
You know, let's check this out. Yeah. Yay, and this is
back to Judith.
Yeah, so that is it. So guys, enjoy. Have a stress-free weekend.
Yes.
And be blessed.
Amen. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.